It has arrived! It has finally arrived! Whoa, what has arrived, you're probably thinking. Well, besides the fact that I have it in the title of this video, somebody has finally made a thumbscrew for the Shibuya Ultima. Where is this said thumbscrew? It's right here on the windage block. You can literally just unscrew it with your thumb and drop the washer. But besides that, this little thumbscrew here is fantastic because previously on the stock Shibuya RC windage, you had a screw that had a head for an Allen key. That's great and all, but if you really want to move your windage a lot, you have to bring an Allen key with you. And if you forget an Allen key or you need it on the line right away, that's not something that can be easily done. Well, the thumbscrew actually fixes that issue, since you can adjust it by just screwing it on and off. That way you can move your windage, you can move your sight pin in and out, things like that. Really great. Really useful. Something that Shibuya probably should have done already, but at least somebody, put their mind to it and actually made something that really improves this product. So this little thumbscrew is made out of steel. It's got a gnarled top that lets you get some grip on it. And honestly, the whole thing is it just makes it simpler to adjust your sight, especially if you don't unscrew it all the way. But it makes it nice and easy. I've been shooting with it now for quite some time, and I have had no issues with it coming loose, unless I don't tighten it. But you just give it a good tighten by hand, and you're good to go. You can shoot all day without any problems. If you need to make adjustments, you don't have to go and break out or find the set of Allen keys to make that happen. So overall, this makes life even easier. It's a really affordable modification for your Shibuya RC, so I highly recommend you checking it out at A3D Archery. I have a link to their website in the description down below. Definitely check it out on there, see what they have to say about their product. But for my testing and my using it, it's going to stay on this site because it's really handy. And I'm just glad somebody actually came around to actually, making this. So with that, you may have saw me post about this on my Instagram. Definitely go and check that out. Anthony Archery 720 and Sure Shot Archery. I post on both of them. So if you want some insights and kind of see what's going on behind the scenes, definitely follow those two accounts. Other than that, I really appreciate you watching. This was a short video, but I think it's important because anybody that has one of these sites knows that if you need to adjust this, it's a pain in the butt. Somebody made it simpler, and it's pretty affordable. So with that, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, happy shooting.